Okay, just final snagging at West Heath. Door stops there. That's fine. That's fine. That can really do with a touch of paint. There doesn't appear to be a doorstop here. All the other doors have one, but this definitely needs a doorstop because it's going to keep slamming against the radiator. That really needs another coat of paint. We need to address the windows. That's been painted. That's fine. Radiators are in. That's fine. Curtain poles are up. Okay. That really should have been painted white down there, because you need to see it. Bit of paint along there. This isn't switched on. Let me turn it on there. So could you take a look at that, please, to see why it's not turning? I suspect the plug is up there and needs to be turned on. Fine. Thanks for painting that. This could have been done a bit better. Obviously that's not very presentable. This looks great, it looks very sturdy, so hopefully this banister will last. That paint needs to be removed. Okay. Bathroom. There's quite a lot of paint stripping along there. That really should have been, the finish on that isn't very good. That needs to be addressed. Gunk along here as well. Door stop is in. Bedroom is fine. Curtain poles are up. Door stop is in. Same again. This is fine as well. And this room is fine as well. Okay, so that's the outstanding work. Thank you.